Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Serpy. Now, today, we have to go take a trip. It'll go almost sound like a plane you're going to need to cover them area. You're going to hear about some place where name offer some country, but are actually places in the Ironman, bad man place. Mainly me I talk about Angola. I talk about Mexico. You know, some of the time people talk about the community, right? And they might say, Tivoli Garden, but then Tivoli have other places. You have the top 10, you have the Java, and then you have Jungle, and but that are the broad name, but then within Jungle you have this and you have that, and then you have Rima, and you have the farthest corner. This time, I'm going to give you the corner them, right? Where the tensions are rising. Talk about a place named Angola and a place named Mexico. Ironman culture is so obsessed with death and destruction. Anytime another country at any time of, any type of war and strife and violence, communities in Ironman adopt the name. Right. They never adopt the name of somebody that's peaceful and prosperous. There's nowhere in Ironman that they call Singapore. And even within Africa, there are plenty of African countries that are extremely poor and peaceful. Them don't want them name. Them want the name of the place. Them will have some civil war, things get grimy. Remember back in the day, the Angolan war. And of course, you know about Mexico. The notorious drug cartels, them. You know, say, whole heap of murders. So, man, they pan corner, man say, the way my corner bad, my corner name Mexico. Right, my corner name Angola. So, tensions are rising. People are start to, make more money, want to get bigger, want to take over all kind of ends. You see, the main people them, talk about how you then call heckle, or you then call gubel. See, man want to spread them wings now and take over all kind of ends. Right? All kind of talk and make back and forth. Angola man, them say them going to take over Mexico. Mexico man, them say that can't happen. I don't even know say them have some place where 87's patrol with rifle. Remember way back in the day, I tell them about the youth from St. James. I tell them, say, man I walk up and down that place with a rifle, M16. I swear say a police. Remember him, Preke boy? Them things that go on there, man, and a bad man just walk up and down that place with a rifle. Don't know, man, I throw them road back and forth like normal, man, I make man know how long them a kill, man, I run off for ends and all kind of things. But they see, a clever little family, and you in the streets. Things get ugly, between Parky and Chad. Next thing you know, Chad get shot. So now, it moved from word throwing and threats to somebody have it dead. Of course, after the shooting go on, security forces step up them thing. Start, show a heavy presence and all that. But if you understand in a bad man place, man just wait till police gone, wait till JDF gone. Because they must left. They must left, Man, them know this work by now. No care how heavy the presence is. They must left. No matter if I can get to a point, man all I walk up and down and make talk, say, I'm go kill back boy if you want him bridging. Because if a boy this him bridging, like how them shot Chad, I go kill back a boy and walk up and down that place with gun. Matter of fact, the same meet my tell about I get shot. When I feel bridging them, up and down in a place, say, I kill back a boy. Gun in the hand and move like say, he must scare the forces till he go back up and I really scare the forces, and now he's no longer here. And by no longer here, you know what I'm saying. But even though I tell them say Gubel and Heckle and them and those are the people them way. For them name I call the most because of them. So them a run off over yes and run off over that. You have some little people them within the thing where some real troublemakers. One in particular named Doggy. Remember the video? We lit them on fire. Don't rifle him. I play it in case you never see.
The dog tell him to take like 4 curtain. It's big chopper though. My bad bro. Good sweet. No, bro.
Well, Doggy was in that video. This same Doggy at one point was being hailed as a hero, you know. Well, maybe he was trying to make up and for the one name him take. Got Doggy. He's a 87. But I thought Doggy, man, you might have seen him on a few wanted posters. Supposed to all go court for a double murder and them thing there. Go before the courts as usual, and you know what happened in 87 go before the courts. No matter what them do, no matter how big the reputation want to be, no matter how much, no matter what them do, no matter how much murder them name call upon. What the judge do, go on the road you the pan bail. See me in that video a fire shot. And since Doggy touched by the street, it's actually gotten even more powerful in a film system. Beer ratings. Because you know, Batman plays more murder, equal more ratings. Plus, hero the money part go drop in. As usual, there's always one little corrupt squad in a mix somewhere. Named Kirk. Him and Doggy are linked. The corrupt squad is linked. Then go eat a big food. Up on quote unquote drug jury claims say them a fight crime and them a do narcotics and all kind of things. Be money. Care about the money go start. Help strengthen the gang. Plus, them have other side things that go on, you know, them thief car and all kind of things. Thief all gaming machine. Doggy them. Take the whole of money. Straighten up themselves. Start by up. Be a gun. Be a shot. And the video where you see that the man them a test out the rifle them because them a listen to them investment. Their investment in there. Because when them need to make money, they're not going to have to go pay for no courses. They're not going to have to go pay for no learn nothing that can be useful to society. They're not taking the money for go use nothing. Because them tell us that all youths them need money and then get money the war go done. But what we see is that when them get money, acidic youths go buy a gun, buy a shot and make more war happen. They don't take the money and go learn no course and go, they can pay for any course them want, anything them want, they can learn anything them want, they can invest in this, start that kind of business, do this, all kind of things. But them invest in that death. Be a rifle. So the video them where you see, I'll give them that now. Strengthen up themselves, heavily armed. Big problem. Big problem. Kemar, Doggy, Campbell. The youth them, Angola, strap up right now. Wolf Creek and Jansport now have strap right them. Because the money is there. Angola and Mexico are some place to go quiet. A long time, yeah. Sometimes you all forget say a bad man place. Sometimes you forget say 87 say that. So, it go enough time, you know. Enough community. If you don't know what you do, you swear say. I lie people at it. You go down there and say, I can't hear something here man I talk about. No care how the community have a reputation. You go through a period of quiet. Because I say for them policies to make bad man cool. But when you see gangs cool often I rebuild them, I rebuild and I re-strengthen. If you go Marshman Road certain time or if you go even Cockburn Pen certain time, you might walk around the entire day and ask yourself the question and then how them place to get bad man reputation. Because people think so them all go Cockburn Pen and see like 400 dead body lying on the ground and like 500 babies would be a fly over them body and name them. That's not how bad man place look. Enough 87 don't even show themselves in the day. You walk through the whole community I ain't see 187. You tell yourself, so I lie them and tell upon them people there. Can't be bad man place. Go certain place in Augustown, you just walk through and you don't see nobody until they take one wrong turn. But if we keep an eye on this Angola and Mexico situation, Gobel, Hecklem, West Kingston, South St. Andrew, you're not gonna stop until the gangs are dismantled. No? The man them know all this work now. Get hot, police presence, get cool. Then them say, alright, see place to come down for 3-4 months, success, the program work, the social intervention program work, see, we need more of this. Then tell the man them, it's a laugh. I wait for opportunity. The next thing you hear, triple murder. 2 days after, double murder. Then they say, granny a pack up her dresser, and I whatnot, run gun out of the community. Be a war. It's a ticking time bomb. I'm gonna keep an eye upon it. You must shot the man in my fire. Who don't know a shot there? Ask anybody you know who have license firearm or even the security force, they can tell you a shot there. 87s are fire off them for fun. You can't find a slice of bread, but you can find a whole magazine full of shot for waste. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.